Hello, in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how you can add tracking number on eBay. Now, first thing of course is you want to log into your eBay. I suggest you guys to use Seller Hub. Like if you haven't done that already, just search for Seller Hub eBay on Google and then click on the first result. It says eBay Seller Hub. It's going to take you guys directly to this page, okay? And okay, so after guys you are on this page, you want to click on orders here, and then you want to click on awaiting shipment, and here you will be able to see all the products. Okay, you will be able to see all the products that needs a tracking number. Now you just need to click here, these three little dots here as you can see, and you want to click on add tracking number, and you want to add there the tracking number and the shipping company name. Now if you are using USPS, just search for when you add the tracking number, add their USPS, okay, USPS as you can see. Or if you are using for example FedEx or whatever, just click on three little dots, click on add tracking number, add there the tracking number, paste it there, and then the carrier or the shipping company, you want to add the shipping company, which is like FedEx or USPS or like whatever like shipping company you use to ship the product. Okay, that's how you do this. It's very simple. If you have any questions, by the way, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. Guys, drop a like and see you guys in the next tutorial.